Imagine a scenario, you told the missus you're going to take you and the kids and her somewhere nice. Not those kids. These sorts of kids. So you don't like the old maps, you like the new maps, Google Maps or Bing Maps or whatever maps. So you're on your journey and you're driving along and your phone keeps on timing out. You get a little bit frustrated, only a little bit. So you come across this amazing YouTube channel that shows you how to work with your iPhone, reading Google Maps or other applications without it timing out. On your iPhone or iPad, go into settings. And go to display and brightness, auto lock, and choose never. Job done.